that says, saying that you made your bed, seeing signs that I misread. All this shit was just pretend, the truth that comes out in the end. All these voices in my head saying that I'm better dead. All the bullshit that we're fed, trusting everything that says, saying that you made your bed, seeing signs that I misread. All this shit was just pretend, the truth that comes out in the end.
So it's super crucial when you're assembling a new motor and putting heads on, especially using ARP head studs. You want to clean the cylinder head side of where the nuts are going to screw onto with some brake clean, hit it with some air, and make sure that it's completely clean and dry. So surface with brake clean and some air, make sure it's nice and dry.
I told you once or twice you will lose me. Why do you lie to me, to my face? Starting fights with me at my place. I ain't gonna cry this time just in case. I ain't gonna die inside what a waste. All these voices in my head saying that I'm better dead. All the bullshit that we're fed, trusting everything that says, saying that you made your bed, seeing signs that I misread. All this shit was just pretend, the truth that comes out in the end. All these voices in my head saying that I'm better dead. All the bullshit that we're fed, trusting everything that says, saying that you made your bed, seeing signs that I misread.
So we got Brittany's Type RA short block fully assembled here. We reused her old head, sent them to the machine shop for resurface, valve cleaning, all the good stuff. We found one burnt valve, replaced that as well. We installed a brand new ASIN STI timing kit with a new water pump. We also replaced all the gaskets and seals that came in the gasket kit from Subaru. We also did some cleaning to the intake manifold. We put new seals on the injectors. Pretty much on every rebuild, we like to refresh everything. So everything that comes out, we're going to go through the hoses, the seals, the O-rings, everything, and replace what we can, you know, without upping the cost too much. It's always a good idea to replace everything while the engine's out. That way it's not going to cost you more money in the long run as you start having issues in the future. So we got her block fully assembled. We're going to get it in the car today. Hopefully we can get first start today. That'd be great to get it rolling. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Oh, you say it's what you want, serving off the 85, but you wrong. Only love when I'm by myself, ain't give me none. Shorty bad, but she white as hell. I'm giving it up, I don't get no fucks. Oh, you say it's what you want.
So, got Brittany's motor in the car. We cleaned up the engine bay for her as well, so everything looks nice and fresh. We're throwing some coolant in it. We got to bleed the new AOS as well. We put some brake-in oil in the car. Gonna do first startup, fire it up for a couple seconds, check for leaks, and then we're gonna fire it up again, let it warm up, and then check for leaks once more. And then we'll take it on a nice little test drive, make sure everything is working properly and we're not running into any issues. And then we'll bring it back in, make sure everything is all good, change that oil, and then get her car back. car on a test drive right now. This is obviously the first test drive after fire up. We obviously drove it in the air a little bit because we have a new clutch in here. Obviously, we also want to check for leaks before we take it out. This is the first, you know, voyage in the car with the new motor in it. Feels great right now, no issues as of right now, no leaks. We're really happy with the outcome of this RA block. A lot of these want to be really easy on the car, really easy on the motor. We're not going to take it above $4,000, just light cruising and a lot of engine braking. You know, letting the car slow itself down with just the motor is huge. Really helps with like the engine braking. We're going to get it back into the shop and change the oil and then give the car back to the customer and have them take it. Also, their braking needs to be pretty strict as well, but if they do it correctly, you know, there shouldn't be any issues.